everyone, I am Wilfried Belantes Madrideo from Grade 10 Excellence, and ito po yung napili kong hand tool. This is pliers, and pliers is used for small objects or wires to grip and bend, twist, and hold or cut the various materials. And hand tool po siya, and they are commonly used in electrical work and household task, and also in jewelry making, and also in the mechanical repairs. And example po itong alambre. You just need to twist it po para maalis nyo yung part na ito. Yan, naalis na. And if ikakabit mo po siya ulit, you just need to twist it ulit po para makabit ulit. If gusto nyo makabit ulit, twist lang po. Thank you.
Hello! Ngayong araw, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ang tamang paggamit ng multimeter. Ang multimeter ay mas kilala sa tawag na multi-tester. Ito ay isang napaka-importanting tool sa computer servicing. Parang Dr. Strange ng electronics. Kaya niyang sukatin ang current, voltage, at resistance. Ang purpose ng multi-tester ay para malaman natin kung may problema ba sa kuryente o sa mga components ng computer natin. Pwede nating sukatin ang voltage, current, at resistance. Kaya kung may mga sira ang computer gamit ang multi-tester, malalaman natin kung saan nagkakaproblema.
May diagram pa kanto.
Bago gamitin ang multimeter, dapat tiyakin natin na tama ang settings ng multimeter mo para sa sinusukat. Kung voltage ang sinusukat, siguraduhin nasa voltage mode ka. Huwag hawakan ang metal part ng probes habang sinusukat. Gamitin ng maayos ang red at black probes. Ang red ay positive test probes at ang black ay negative test probes. Ang susukatin ko ngayon ay ang voltage. Kaya, isi-set ko siya sa 250. Nakita nyo naman kanina na sinet ko siya sa 250 and nasukat ko siya ng 230 volts. Another reminder lang na kapag nakasaksak pa ang probes, hindi mo dapat galawin ito. Bago mo galawin ito, kailangan mo munang alisin. Kasi, maaari iyong sumabog o masira. So, essentially, always double-check your settings, avoid touching live circuits, and prioritize safety to prevent accidents while using the multimeter. Thank you.
Hi, today I will demonstrate how to use Allen Freecloth in computer system servicing. Allen Freecloth is used to clean computer screens and other delicate surfaces without leaving dust, fibers, or scratches. This tool helps keep devices clean while protecting sensitive parts like the monitor and laptop screen. Use a lint-free cloth properly. Gently wipe the surface in a straight or circular motion. Make sure the cloth is clean and dry before using it. For screens, lightly wipe from top to bottom to remove dust and smudges. And that is how to properly use a lint-free cloth in computer servicing, keeping devices clean and safe. Thank you.